How to fix laptop battery draining issue. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can fix if your laptop is draining battery faster. So the very first thing you want to do is check all of your activities that's running on your laptop and check which one is consuming more of your battery. For that, you can press right click on your task manager or taskbar and you'll find the pop-up select task manager from here. Once you select Task Manager, you can find all of these options. Now you can just right click on the Memory tab here and then find Power Users. Tap on it and it's going to show you which one is consuming more battery or power on your PC. And the one that says very high, you can just right click on it and end the task immediately. Doing this will save your battery. Next step you can do is know that your screen also consumes a lot of your battery. So if you are indoors, you can just go ahead and lower your brightness uh, and it should be able to give you more battery life. Once that is done, the next step here is to check your settings. You can do that by going over to Start menu, click on Settings. And once you're on settings menu, from here go to Bluetooth and devices. You can find battery you choose here or display. If you don't see it, go to system and then go to power and battery. Once you are here, all you have to do is find your power mode, click on the drop down, and if the best performance is selected, then in that case, you need to go ahead and toggle this off and change it to power saving. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.